All right, so for process XB, the work done is 1,288. Now, if you go on the physics website, when I explain and go through this whole example problem, I actually posted a video on how to do the calculus. This one's actually pretty easy just because it's literally PV equals PV, so it's easy to find the volume. Yeah, I mean, the other ones, for adiabatic isn't that much harder. Okay, so XB is isothermal, okay? Now remember, for isothermal, that means the temperature doesn't change. So normally when a piston moves out, the gas gets colder, like that's what it does for C, right? And the reason that the gas doesn't get colder is that we're allowing heat to flow in. So basically with an isothermal process, Q is equal to delta U plus work. Well, if the temperature doesn't change, remember that the U doesn't change. Remember, U is 3/2 nRT. 3/2 doesn't change, N doesn't change, R doesn't change. If the temperature doesn't change, the internal energy doesn't change, okay? So basically you have Q equals 0 plus work. With an isothermal process, what happens is heat flows in and the process does work, okay? Which sort of seems to violate the second law of thermodynamics or something like that, because it's isoentropic. Entropy does not increase. But let's not worry about that. Let's solve this problem, okay? So if the work done is 1288, right? 0 plus 1288, then Q has to be 1288. Ta-da. There you go. Because the change in internal energy is 0. Okay, so we already did this. Let's see, we found the work. Okay, the work is 1288 because they told us. Delta U is 0 because delta T is 0. And therefore the Q is 1288. Okay, joules. All right, and then find the pressure at B. That shouldn't be too hard. We just allowed the gas to expand to 5 times its volume, so the pressure will be 1/5. So we'll do this properly, right? PV over T equals PV over T. The temperatures are the same in this case, right? So P1 V1 is P2 V2, right? So 8 E5 times 1 E minus 3 equals P, this would be the pressure at B, right? Peanut butter, sorry. Times 5 E minus 3. So there you go. It's going to be this times this divided by this. So 8 E5 divided by 5. And that's 1.6 E5. All right. Let's see, pascals. I think we got all the answers. Oh, pascals. It looks like pressure at A. No, it's pascals. All right. Ooh, I've got so much room. I'm going to draw a picture of a small dog. There you go. All right.